cash, me use my black card. Some boy need a fitted, call them a cap hard. Me live in a your gang.
Me, no swallow pride. And rule me on one side. Could have his up for the body, I know. Yeah, can't even.
Over the road in Warren. Money not change the darkness.
Pressure overwhelming, and no one seems to be helping. And illegal things feel tempting because the 9 to 5.
Can we build it up? Build it up. I'm having these ocean eyes, you can see them. My demons are all outside, you can see them. I'm putting in all the line thoughts on my mind and
fast. Scam bill horse by gun and no shot. Pussy all that. Fan a boy if dead we start journal.
Tape up my ass, stop not that. Make a day me a beat it up in the sun at. Yo, everything caught up. When me roll up, left boy fall up like fresh out.
closet. To the amount of clothes me just rise. My life crazy. Planet to planet in nice spaceship.
What we are gonna do with bad mind? Get them out. What we do with knock around. Knock us the business with us now. Knock around. Them you know what.
People, I'm telling you something. God is the greatest and nothing will be time. Always remember to do good. Good I will follow you. God is the greatest. Big up that kind gentleman at the embassy. When we got there on Tuesday or Monday. I spoke to him on Tuesday and I spoke to him a while ago. And he gave me good words of encouragement. So big up to that man at the embassy. Big up US Embassy. Big up Gaza Nation. God is the greatest. Never forget. What is under my nose? I'm out.
How did you get started in this whole music business? Let's talk about the name first.
Who am I? Good question.
All right.
Sometimes I don't even know myself, you know. But Alkaline is just like a charismatic youth, 19-year-old, an individual who's passionate about music. That's what I say. Yeah, I think that's the only thing in life that I care about. I think it's the only thing that is spiritual in this earth. Yeah. I sing raunchy music for the ladies. That's what I say. Also songs like to uplift the people. I have gangster lyrics because that kind of depicts who I am in real life. Yeah. Actually, I got the name Alkaline from my sister. And so when I said, we got my sister. I don't really know why she gave me that name still, but kind of overall kind of had my own meaning to the name. And so when I said, because, you know, like the Alkaline battery.
But in 1 year, you broke Bob Marley's record for the most number one.
Some hear them say all the time, yeah. But it's like them act like I'm supposed to be proud or something. But you know what I mean? Listen, let's be realistic. I am coming from an era where a record was a record. And this said record was sold
from a record
for a minimal a $7, $6, $5, $4, $3, $2. That's how it grow and come forward.
Right.
Then I man come to a time where I have no more bomber clad record. I man find myself with a CD. I man accept it. I man could have still hear my music. And I man still hold something to represent my ownership of the music when I listen to. Then I man go sleep and wake up and hear say I man have no record, no CD, but the music in the blood clot cloud.
It's real. It's in the cloud.
I gone from a stage of owning my music I can play every time I blood clot want to a state where if I have my phone on blood clot subscribe, I can't hear my music. When did this happen to me? And we all sit and laugh and think it's a blood clot joke. We want back with music.
Real talk.
A guy take my music and put it in the cloud. And I can't get my music physically, play my music when I want to hear my music. Yet you're not paying nothing for my music. Pennies.
Right.
I never cost I pennies to make this blood clot.
Right.
You trick with it.
Yeah.
And the major players who supposed to speak up about this trickery and modern day blood clot robbery and stealing of intellectual property are silent. I would carry a box of blood clot record up the stage more than carry a phone full of blood. Cause if I don't pay my phone bill, I know no music, you know. When you think about it, don't pay your phone bill. Apple don't give you no music.
But I do want to preserve this record.
One person who stepped up, and I love what you just said. But one person who stepped up and started talking about the robbery of the streaming was a person you got a record with, Snoop Dogg.
Yeah, Snoop.
Snoop Dogg stepped up and said, "This is highway robbery. How the hell can you download, 1 billion streams and then give me $10,000?" Meanwhile, the record labels. So you think more people should step up like that?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Something has happened to us. We've moved from the parochial distribution where we had a physical product in our hands.
Yeah.
I understand, you think it's too bulky and the world is moving in. But there are people like us. I want my music. I want my record. I want to put my record on. I want to hear the nigga go.
Right.
It means something to me.
Right.
Yeah.
The other day, I was in my recording studio and this young lady was doing her final papers at University of the West Indies. And she wanted to do something on me. And I said, okay, I welcome her. And she came in the studio and we was talking along the line of music. And she has never seen a phonographic record before.
Crazy.
And I had to take up a phonographic record and show her. So you realize that there's a generation that doesn't know what a vinyl looks like?
Right. Right.
Or some aspect of that generation who doesn't know what a vinyl and how it is played, right, and how you receive sound through a piece of plastic. So are we moving so far ahead that we're taking the things that make us real humans away from us?
All right. And what DJ Quick said, that the analog recording, which I think transfers on to vinyl and tape, there's an energy transfer that's there. You can't get that from the digital world.
Right.
Never.
No, I like what you said earlier. It's like people wanted that physical thing. They wanted to look at the producers. They wanted to be proud of the product, like how you said.
Remember those days?
Yeah.
When you get a record and you rub it on your pants, you take the plastic off.
Yeah.
You just rub the front and the plastic just open like this and you take out your record. Dude,
fresh new
you want
record.
to put your shit back in the sleeve so good and put it back down in the jacket so good.
Yep. And you read the credits.
Oh, and when the music is playing, you can take out your sleeve and read along.
Yes.
Yep.
And you know
I
who
miss
the
those
producer
days,
is.
Of course.
But then,
You know who the A&R was. You know who the label was.
but
Now
even,
you just download
but
something.
even from a financial standpoint, I don't think the young cats today will be able to get their life in order based on what they're being paid from the current mode of income. It's not gonna happen. It's not gonna happen. So we're being robbed and our industry's being. Somebody's getting that cash.
Yeah.
But nobody don't want to talk about it. You come from the island.
Right.
You see that industry grow, mature. Yet the artists who made the industries are sidelined.
Right.
It can't be like that.
Right.
We need fair play.